Hey guys, it's me, Jaleo here from Jaleo Gaming, and I have decided to make another video. I'm playing a game called Bird 420 MLG. I've played it for a little bit. My best is 67, as I said, a little bit, and I guess we're just gonna play it. This is a weird game. It's like Flappy Bird. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow. Doritos. Change man, I guess. Illuminati confirmed. Illuminati confirmed. I get Sanic. I got Sanic. Yeah. Sanic. Hell yeah. No. No, I got so far. Wow. If any of you out there watch this video, definitely think about getting this game. It's pretty freaking weird. Oh my god. No! Fudge! Once again with the Illuminati. Oh, whoa, wait. Bull. Yay, Mountain Dew. It's amazing what Mountain Dew can do to a man. Or a bird. Wearing a fedora. Weed! Yes! I got weed. Ah, no, I died. Not sure where the sound isn't working for this. Okay, I guess. Okay. Oh my god. What the heck? No! Crap! Oh, stupid ads. Hmm. Um, I guess we can try to, crap. I think we're gonna try to, just beat my best and then see what my best is at the end of this episode. So, yeah. Illuminati confirmed. No. I got so close. I got 96. Yay, Doritos. Caught it just in time. More Doritos. Wow. This game is like better than Flappy Bird. Oh no. Oh crap. If any of you play Flappy Birds out there, I'm pretty sure that y'all are just gonna wreck this game. Good God. See, I don't play Flappy Bird. Oh my God. I don't play, as I was saying, I don't play Flappy Bird. So I suck at this game. And I suck at Flappy Birds. But I play it for y'all's entertainment. So I'm gonna start this thing. List some games in the comment section below for like the phone that are for free. And I'll see, I might choose your game and actually play it. Sanic! Gotta go fast. Doritos. 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 Weed. Everybody. Yeah. Sonic! Sonic is here. Ah, oh crap. Well, we beat our best again, so I guess we'll keep going until I don't feel like recording anymore. Some weed, beginning, keep me going. Yeah, I missed the Doritos. Sonic! What's faster than Sonic? A Flappy Bird wearing a fedora, apparently. Oh my god! Come on! Sonic! About to pass Sonic. Oh my god. Wow, I didn't know that could actually happen. Oh my goodness, there's. Oh, no, oh my goodness. Go back. Just pressing a whole bunch of random stuff. Jesus! Nads. Work. Yeah! Sonic! Sonic! Oh my god, I just died! Come on, we got this. Weed! Yay! 420 Blaze. Woo! Oh, swag alert. Uh, alright, oh my god. No! There's Mountain Dew right there. Crap. Can I get a Sonic? Yes, I can't get a Sonic. Screw you, Sonic. Yeah. Weed. There's a bunch of random stuff in this game. Can't wait to show y'all what the Illuminati does. Freaking weird. Oh no, it's right there. No! No, I got stupid freaking ads. Screw you. Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my blob. Yeah. Freaking Mountain Dew. Skit. Slip. Just keep flopping. Just, oh my gosh. Just keep flopping. Just keep, oh my. Fudge. Oh my gosh. We're already 8 minutes into this. Oh my god. I have to at least beat 162. And when I beat 162, I'll end the game. And if I just get sick and tired of because I keep screwing up, and I'll probably just end the game anyway. That's just probably going to be for the first episode. If y'all like this, then just comment in the comment section below saying that you would like to see more of this or any other game. Oh my god. Stupid freaking ads. Stop. Jeez Louise. I'll probably play one more round. And then, well, maybe two. But then I'll play, oh, no. I'll play one, this is my last round, and I'll just leave it off here. And probably come back with the second episode if y'all guys want to see it. Maybe one more. Okay, screw it. Anyways, if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more episodes and other games. And, yeah, just subscribe to see more. Either way, anyway, this has been your friend and gamer, Jesse, from JLeo Gaming, and I'm out.